Princess and Spanish in your kitchen. Today I am gonna make tiramisu. Tiramisu is an Italian dessert made of savoiardi, coffee, eggs, sugar, mascarpone and cocoa. But the version I am going to do today is going to be an easy one, without eggs. First of all, shake the chocolate and set aside. Pour the whipping cream and the mascarpone and beat for 2 minutes maximum power. Add the sugar previously sifted and beat for 2 more minutes or until you get a fluffy cream. Put the baking paper in the base of the tin. Dip the ladyfingers in the coffee and place them in the tin. If there is any gap, cut the ladyfingers to adjust to your tin. Put the mascarpone cream. Sift the cocoa powder and repeat the last step, the ladyfingers and the mascarpone cream. Now put the shaved chocolate and to finish the cocoa powder. Now I will show you other possibility of presentation if you don't want to make a large amount. You can do exactly the same steps than before, but in a glass of wine or any other glass you like.